Good morning dear students. Today I will discuss about climate, chapter 7, and topic is the climate. What is the climate? In last topic I discussed climate and weather, and now in briefly I will discuss what is the climate. Climate on the other hand is arrived at after considering the weather of a place over a long period of time. Climate means the average pattern in which weather changes with time. What is the climate? Climate is the pattern where weather changes at time, and this average is determined over long periods of time. The climate of a region depends. The climate of a region depends upon the presence or absence of rainfall. The presence, first is the presence or absence of a rainfall, amount of sunshine it gets, the ability of transfer water to the atmosphere, that is the evaporation. The ability of transfer water to the atmosphere, that is the evaporation. What is the evaporation process? The heat of the sun changes some water to the water vapor, and this process is called the evaporation. Now, the place, whether it is hilly or a plain region, does the climate in a desert hot while it is cold in hilly areas. Now, what is the adaptations? Animals adapt themselves according to that environment is called the adaptations. In class 6, you were given an idea about the adaptations which the animals develop to live in different habitats like aquatic, terrestrial, amphibious or arboreal, and animals develop adaptations in response to climate. They develop adaptations according to the climate, and climate has a profound effect on all living organisms. Adaptations which the animals develop help them to survive in the conditions in which they live. Animals living in a very cold or very hot climate show a special feature to protect themselves from the extreme cold or hot. They have the special feature, and according to that special feature they adapt according to the environment. The polar regions, extremely cold climate. Polar regions, extremely cold climate environment. As the name suggests, polar regions are situated near the poles, that is the North Pole. It can be North Pole or it can be South Pole. The polar regions remain covered with snow, and the climate is very cold for most part of the year. Climate is very cold and it is present most part of the year. In winters, the temperature can be as low as -30°C for 6 months in a year, and the sun does not set white for the 6 months, and sun does not rise for 6 months. Some countries of the polar region. I will tell you some countries of the polar region, that is the Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Alaska in USA, and Siberia, that is the Russia. Let us see how the animals like polar bear and penguins live in polar regions have developed adaptations for the survival. What is the adaptations are present in the polar regions? First adaptation, it has a wide and large paws which help them to walk easily on snow, and the body has two thick layer of fur. Under their skin, a layer of fat is also present. The fur and the layer of fat keep the body warm. First adaptation is the large and wide paws are present, so easily they can walk on the snow, and second one is that they have two thick layers of fur and under their skin, so they help to keep the body warm, and fur is wide so they can escape from predators, and it can close its nostril while swimming and can remain underwater for a long period of time, and it has a strong sense of smell. This adaptation helps it to locate its prey for food for a long distance, and adaptation